Hey guys, so a couple months ago, we shot a video here at this house in Collingswood. Quick recap, we did a home inspection here for a client. We found a failing structural support beam in the first floor ceiling, and we recommended to replace the beam, and the client ended up getting the credit for it, from the sellers, and then went ahead and bought it, and then he hired us to do beam design as well. So we came up with a steel beam design. And I'm going to flip around and show you here. We got our 2x8 jack studs that transfer down here to the front foundation wall. Those jacks are bolted together. We did a 2x8 bolted to the top and the bottom of the steel beam. Same thing on this side, quad, looks like a quad 2x8 here. This one transfers down to an existing pier in the basement. We actually opened up a bearing wall back here too. He wanted to open up this wall between the kitchen and the dining room here. We did have to put new steel columns and footings below each of these point loads in the basement. So this one ended up being really good. So this floor was dropped 2 inches. When they put this beam in, they actually put this end in first all the way up. And then the beam was on an angle this way. When they pushed it up, they actually leveled out the floor completely. So the floor upstairs, putting the footprints on your finished floor here. Sorry, I'll wipe it up. So they pushed this floor, so this wall here, this wall actually supports, this is directly above that wall, above that beam below, which supports the third floor. So I actually got this completely level, or really close to being level. Got some cracks in the sheetrock, obviously pushed this wall up a little bit. Gonna cause some crack there, but it looks like they patched these ones. But yeah, otherwise floor's completely level, completely stable. That steel beam, thing's never going anywhere. So